Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Klarna Checkout for better conversions in the USA. Beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Klarna Checkout for better conversions in the USA, begin by creating a Klarna merchant account. Visit the Klarna website and navigate to the merchant section. Complete the registration form using your business details. Ensure you have the necessary documentation ready for verification. Once your account is approved, log into your Klarna dashboard. Locate the integration section to find available options for activation. Choose the e-commerce platform you are using, such as Shopify, WooCommerce, or Magento. Follow the provided instructions specific to your platform for integration. Install any necessary plugins or extensions as guided by Klarna's setup instructions. Configure the payment settings within your e-commerce platform. Select Klarna as a payment option to make it available at checkout. Customize the checkout experience according to your brand's theme. Test the checkout process to ensure Klarna is functioning properly. Conduct trial transactions to confirm that payments are processed smoothly. Analyze the checkout flow to identify any potential friction points. Once everything is set, launch Klarna Checkout on your website. Monitor your conversion rates and customer feedback regularly. Make adjustments to your setup as necessary based on performance data. Consider using Klarna's marketing tools to enhance visibility. Stay updated with Klarna's resources for any new features or best practices. With these steps, you are now ready to boost your sales through Klarna Checkout in the USA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.